All right, so here's an example of a moron who's driving in the left lane. Now, he's getting passed by people in the right lane, or at least going the same speed as the right lane drivers. This is the guy. So now, after I give him the brights, he gives him that and tells me to go over to that side. I should go around him. But the law states that the left lane is for passing. If you're not passing, you move over to the middle or the right lanes. But this guy feels for some reason he should go slow in the left lane. Now he's not letting that guy get in front of him because he just kind of wants to do his own thing. This is how accidents happen. Try to avoid an accident, move over to the right lane, and if you're going to pass someone, you get into the left lane to do so and pass. So finally, that white Cherokee had to get in front of this guy to go around him, and this guy's just he's going to cause an accident. You will more likely cause an accident by staying in this lane, and now a Jeep is trying to pass him on this side, which again is dangerous, especially when you're dealing with trucks. Follow the law. The law states the left lane is for passing. Don't be this guy and drive safe. Share this video with someone that you know who's learning how to drive or needs to learn how to drive. Have a good day.